Huli ka. AM na. Pero pasikat ng araw, oh. Pasikat o palubog, I don't know. Sunset, sunrise. Anyway, it's 1 AM. And they have a very clear ocean water here. And then ano yun? What's that? Oh, what is this? Tingnan natin sa telescope. It's something. And here, can you see that? That's snow. And then here, it's bukid.